Hi, I'm Jeff Grace with the Grace Real Estate team at RE/MAX Hallmark, and today I want to take you on a tour of a hot new listing we have in the pocket at 35 Seymour. This cute home in the pocket is located close to Danforth and Jones with TTC access and tons of great shopping and dining. This is a great condo alternative with no monthly fees, offering 2 bedrooms and lots of updates throughout. The brand new kitchen features Caesarstone countertops, Undermount sink, under cabinet lighting, brand new appliances, and tons of storage. It also walks out to a lush backyard through sliding doors. I hope you love this house as much as I do. If you'd like to come tour it in person, give us a call at 416-699-9295.